the characteristics of social stratification. It is consequential. The social stratification is consequential. Consequential. Stratification has its own consequences in society. The most important and limited things in human life are distributed unequally because of the stratification, and it leads to two kinds of consequences: life chances and lifestyles. Life chances relating to the infant mortality, longevity, physical and mental illness, and the childlessness, marital conflict, separation, and divorce. And the lifestyle includes the matters such as the housing, mode of housing, residential area, one's education, means of recreation, and relationship between parents and children, and the kinds of books, magazines, and TV shows to which one is exposed, and one's mode of conveyance, and to on the and so on. Life chances are more involuntary, and while the lifestyles reflects the differences in preferences, tastes, and values. And origin of social stratification, they according to the social stratification, when it originates, or the origin of stratification, there are two main theories concerning the origin of social stratification. Firstly, the theory of economic determinism or conflict theory, and secondly, the functional theory. According to Marx, economic factors are responsible to the emergence of different strata or different social classes, and the social classes are defined by the relation to the means of production, and that is the ownership and non-ownership. They are in conflict, and the Gumplovich and the different scholars, Gumplovich and Oppenheimer and others, have argued that origin of social stratification is to be found in the conquest of one group by the another group, and the conquering group normally dominates the conquered group. The conquered group is forced to accept the lower strata or lower class life, and C.C. North he has expressed the same opinion. And functional theory, Davis, the functional theory of social stratification. Kingsley Davis, P.A. Sorokin, McIver, and others have rejected the conflict theory of Marx, and Sorokin pointed out conflict may facilitate stratification, but never originated it. It only facilitated the stratification, but never originated it. He opines that stratification mainly inherited individual differences in environmental conditions. Kingsley Davis, he said that the stratification came into being due to functional necessity of social system, and the functional necessity of any society, or functional necessity of any society, placing and motivating individuals on the social or motivating individuals in a social structure. And social stratification is an unconsciously evolved device. It is unconsciously evolved device by which most important positions are consciously filled by most qualified persons. And the conflict theory and functional theory have their own merits and demerits.